Our train car. We own this train car.
Oh God, we do.
We're literally going to war for it right now, killing everybody. And we already tagged it and took our territory.
Pretty much. Just fucking go full World War and shit. Just fucking. What are you talking about me, bitch?
Dude, just Rambo out here. This shit's lit, bro.
Yo, I'm look at this fucking tree over here.
What do we do next?
Fuck you, bitch.
Damn, bro, that's all the targets.
Huh? Yes.
This is all of them, yeah.
Fuck. That bitch still alive.